Hello everyone. Today I am showing you my April finishes. There's only a few, but I had a big one that I had to get done. I mean, it wasn't as big as Bountiful Voyage with 106,000 drills. This one I think had 86,000 drills. Maybe it was only 78. I don't know. I don't remember. But what I did complete, I enjoy all my diamond art, but I participated in 2 events this month. The Cardinal DP event with Jeannie M. Bushnell and Have Coloring Books Will Travel. And forgive me, I don't know her name, but that was the Cardinal event. And then I completed the Feeling Groovy event. And my Feeling Groovy canvas doubled for Fairyland canvas with Starlight Starbright. What did I finish? Well, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. Stay tuned to see. They're beautiful. This is my cardinal painting. This is a Diamond Dots. It has 25 colors, 2 of which were these different size gems. This one I spread out over the month, so I would have something for the whole month. The Cardinal event's actually a 2-month event on Facebook. So it is with Jeannie M. Bushnell. I blinged up the snowflakes with fairy dust. No, they were ABs, just kidding. With ABs, you can see the snowflakes. I blinged up the light with ABs. I love the way the light came out. And I blinged up this whole cardinal bird. Those of you who know. I like cardinals. And I put a little bit of fairy dust in the female cardinal. Not as much as the male. But I did every snowflake. I loved it. It was so much fun to do the ABs in this kit. Look at that. This is my cardinal. So here it is. This is nice and small. And it's a partial. I love it. This was so much fun. I really enjoyed this one. And it was quick. Oh, we have a little hitchhiker over there. Get him out of there. He didn't belong there. Remember on Sesame Street, which one of these things is not like the other? Well, that was that one. So this is Cardinal Christmas completed. Next, we have my April canvas. I love doing this one. I did not bling it up. It's completely as charted. I love it. I am using this calendar for your birthdays. I don't need the day in the year. I would just like the month. So if you haven't already given me your birth month, please, just giving me your birth month's not going to hurt you. Who knows? I'm going to start this in September. Your birth month might get you a little card from me. And you know, if I send you a card, it's probably going to be a diamond art project. So let me know if you'd like to get a card from me for your birthday. Because by the time your birthday gets here, you might forget you signed up for this. So this is May. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. No, I apologize. This is April. Thank you for those of you that were screaming out. It's April. It's April. April finishes. And then my year-long project, my Randal Spangler, counting with the Draglings, I have done January, February, March, and April. Isn't he cute? He came out so good. So far, though, I think I like 3 the best. Maybe because it's so big, it pops. I don't know. But I like 3 the best. So next month, this month, I'll be doing May. Number 5. Right in the middle. Number 5. And my final completion for April is my threads. My threads. Those of you who watched my video know how much fun I had doing this one and the hard time I had placing the one crystal. But if you want specifics, go watch that video. I did have fun with this. I'm sad it's over, but I had so much fun. So what am I doing this month? I am doing food with Wendy, Diamonds and Stuff. The I Will Not Desert You. I am doing a lollipop canvas. And the one with the towering cupcakes. And for Crafty Chef Diamond's 2-year food anniversary, I'm going to complete a 6-pack of mini dazzles, the drink set. Those will be simple. Those are the only 2 I'm going to be completing for May. I've got a lot of organization I need to do with my Diamond Art spare guest room. So I'm going to relax a little bit. Oh, and also for April, I did my Easter bunny. He is in a book already. Let me see. Where did I put him? Almost forgot about my Easter bunny. There he is. I completed my Easter bunny for April. He was so much fun. He was a quick project. He's 23 by 23. He had 25 colors. I blinged up the flowers. Of course I did. I loved it. He's so cute. Quick fix. Quick completion. I almost forgot about my bunny, guys. So that is my projects for April and the 2 that I'm going to do for May. And if I get done with those 2, who knows what I'm going to start next? We will see at that point. But for now, be kind to everyone you meet.